Okay, so what we have here are some fresh crabs. We'll talk about those in a moment. We've got some tomato sauce, onions, ginger, tomato paste, green onions, salt, pepper, brown sugar, chili powder, soy sauce, garlic, and fresh chili. Jun.
Welcome po. Gagawa po tayo ng sweet chili crabs. Meron po tayo rito fresh crabs. Mamaya kakat ko siya sa gitna. Light brown sugar, chili powder, salt, gagamit din tayo paminta, toyo, dahon ng sibuyas, bawang, fresh chili, tomato paste, tomato sauce, sibuyas, luya.
Okay, so let's just have a little chat about our crabs. Now, there are many different types of crabs, different species, large, small, whatever. Now, if you're not familiar with them, let me just turn one over. All you need to do is pull off, there's a membrane here, like a shell membrane with these ones. You just pull it off, discard that, and these are ready to go. Now what we're going to do with these is we're going to boil them in water with some sliced ginger for about 7 minutes, and then we can move on to the next step.
So sa Tagalog naman po, papakulo natin siya ng 7 minuto. Tinanggal lang natin dito yung pinaka parang tiyan niya kasi nandun po yung mga dirt, yung mga dumi. Tapos po, papakulo natin 7 minutes na merong luya.
Okay, so we've got some water boiling there. Very simply, as we just said, we're going to drop them in, add the ginger, 7 minutes, that's it.
Ayan po, magpapakulo na ako ng tubig. Ilalagay ko na yung ating crabs. So 7 minuto lang. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng slice na luya.
Okay, so you can see that they've changed that beautiful pinky color. What we're going to do now is turn off the heat, discard the ginger, take them out, let them cool down, then we're going to cut them in half.
So ako naman po, ang gagawin natin, tatapon na natin yung luya at saka yung tubig. Tapos po, papalamigin natin siya, tapos ikakata natin siya sa center. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo yung susunod natin na gagawin. Ayan po, mainit na po yung aking mantika. Nakata rin natin yung ating alimasag. Unang hapong natin gagawin, ang bawang. Sasabay na rin natin yung luya, sibuyas. So haluin lang natin siya ng mga 1 minuto.
Okay, so we've set aside the crabs, we've cut them in half. We'll look at those in a moment. We're going to make the sauce now. So in some hot oil, as you saw, garlic, ginger, onions, 60 to 90 seconds. High heat.
Ngayon po, lalagyan natin yung ating sili, yung chili powder natin, tapos po yung ating tomato paste, yung ating tomato sauce, toyo, paminta at asin, brown sugar. Ngayon po, hihinaan natin yung apoy. Sisimmer lang natin siya ng mga 5 minuto.
Okay, so as you saw, the fresh chili went in. The chili powder went in. The tomato paste, the tomato sauce, the sugar, the soy sauce, and the salt and pepper. We've lowered the heat. We're going to go for about 5 to 6 minutes.
Ayan po, niluto po natin siya ng 5 minuto. Ang gagawin natin, lalagyan na natin yung ating dahon ng sibuyas at konting tubig lang. So, ganahaluin natin siya. Lulutuin ko uli siya ng mga 2 to 3 minutes. Tapos po, isasali na po natin siya sa alimasag.
So, just added a touch of water, cold water, and the green onions or spring onions, whatever you call them. We're going to go, stay on a low heat. We're going to go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And then the next step is we're going to take this sauce over to our crabs and we're going to pour it over, give it a shake. And it's done. Beautiful. Okay, so our sauce is ready. And as you can see, we've cut the crabs down the middle, straight down like that. They've cooled down. Now you're going to need some sort of airtight container or something nice and firm, because what we're going to do is we're going to pour the sauce over this, pop the lid on and give it a shake.
So ako naman po, malamig na yung ating alimasag, kinata natin sa center. Yung naluto po nating sauce, isasalin po natin sa ibabaw, tapos tatakpan natin siya, tapos itotoast po natin siya para mag-mix po lahat ng mga ingredients sa ating alimasag. Wow, yan po, napakaganda. Na-mix na po siya ng maayos. Pag ang gamit nyo po sandok, hindi po basta-basta mamimix sa loob ng ating alimasag yung ating mga sauce. Ngayon po, ito-transfer ko na siya sa isang plato.
I think what Chef June just said was, it's much better to toss it like this in a container than just mixing it with a spoon. It kind of works, much better this way. And then he said, tell me if this is correct. We're going to put it on a plate.
Yes!
Alright!
Ito na po ang kanilabasan ng ating pagluluto ng sweet and chili crabs. Napakasarap po nito. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng howtogreatfilipino.com. Mabuhay!
Thank you very much, Chef June. That looks amazing. Really, really good. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. We will see you soon. Lots of love. Mabuhay.